Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Date 22nd July 2021 Day, Thursday. Pronounced, adjective, noticeable. Synonyms, marked, strong. Antonyms, faint. Example sentence. Example sentence. She had a pronounced squint. Synonyms, slippery, shifty. Elusive, adjective, evasive. Synonyms, slippery, shifty. Antonyms, accessible. Example sentence. Success has become even more elusive now. Abstemious, adjective, temperate. Synonyms, abstinent, austere. Antonyms, self-indulgent. Example sentence. We only had a bottle very abstemious of you. Embargo, verb, ban. Synonyms, bar, prohibit. Antonyms, allow. Example sentence. Example sentence. Document of national security importance is routinely embargoed. Assert, verb, declare. Synonyms, maintain, contend. Antonyms, deny. Example sentence. The company asserts that the cuts will not affect development. Slash, verb, reduce. Synonyms, cut, drop. Antonyms, erase. Example sentence. The workforce has been slashed by 2,000. Repeal, noun, revocation. Synonyms, rescinding, cancellation. Antonyms, introduction. Example sentence. The House voted in favor of repeal. Deprived, adjective, disadvantaged. Synonyms, underprivileged, poverty. Antonyms, fortunate. Example sentence. The charity cares for destitute and deprived children. Slum, verb, decline. Synonyms, deteriorate, degenerate. Antonyms, improve. Example sentence. United slumped to another 1-0 defeat. Lethal, adjective, fatal. Synonyms, deadly, mortal. Antonyms, harmless. Example sentence. Example sentence. Example sentence. The Krakatoa. Thank you so much for watching. The Krakatoa eruption was the most lethal on record. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.